Did you know that your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood per day? That's a lot of work. So it is no surprise that the 2023 statistics of the International Society of Nephrology revealed that around 850 million people across the globe are suffering from chronic kidney diseases. Chronic kidney diseases include any disease that is damaging the kidneys for more than 3 months. Can you imagine that all these people are at risk of kidney failure? Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs responsible for filtering your blood to remove toxins and waste products. They also help regulate your blood pressure and the levels of minerals in your blood, such as sodium. Even though we could survive with only one kidney, it's important to take care of their health as much as we can so that we can live our lives to the fullest. In this video, we will reveal to you the top 7 vitamins you can add to your diet to boost your kidneys' health. Now, without further ado, let's get to know them. Number 1. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant derived from caprylic acid. It is normally made in the body and is also found in food like red meat, beets, carrots, potatoes, spinach, and broccoli. It is also sold as an over-the-counter supplement due to its tremendous health benefits. Everything in your body happens through chemical reactions, and since your kidneys are working all the time, they are carrying chemical reactions all the time. However, these chemical reactions produce harmful byproducts called free radicals. These free radicals damage your body cells through a process called oxidation. Thankfully, alpha-lipoic acid is a universal antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid decreases the risk of chronic kidney diseases by decreasing free radicals, such as reactive oxygen species and reactive nitrogen species. Not only that, but alpha-lipoic acid also chelates metals such as zinc, iron, and copper. So what exactly does this mean? Well, metals are found inside our bodies in the form of free ions, but if they were left to roam the body on their own, they can cause damage. This is where alpha-lipoic acid comes. It binds to these metal ions, preventing them from damaging the kidney's tissues. What's more impressive is that alpha-lipoic acid can interact with your genes to stop apoptosis of kidney cells. Apoptosis is a type of programmed cell death, so stopping it will obviously increase the survival of kidney cells. Do you think we are done? Not yet. Alpha-lipoic acid doesn't just prevent oxidative damage, it can also repair the damage done by free radicals. It does this by increasing glutathione and ubiquinol, which leads to the regeneration of vitamin E, which helps reverse the damage done. Number 2. Andrographis. Andrographis, or as they're commonly known as green charetta, is an incredibly bitter plant. So bitter that some even refer to it as the king of bitters. A recent study was done in 2021 found that andrographis decreased the progression of diabetic nephropathy. Diabetic nephropathy is a damage to the kidney due to diabetes. Andrographis have an active compound with a similar name called andrographolide. In the study, human tubular epithelial cells were treated with andrographolide. Human tubular epithelial cells are cells that form the tubes in your kidneys where the urine is formed. These cells were placed in high glucose concentrations. Diabetic mice were also treated with andrographolide 2 milligrams per kilogram of their body weight, twice per week. The results showed that andrographolide decreased cell death. So how does it do this? Well, excessive amounts of glucose, such as in diabetic patients, cause the mitochondria of the kidney cells to dysfunction and produce more reactive oxygen species. Andrographolide works by decreasing the mitochondrial dysfunction and consequently decreasing the oxidative damage done by them. To get these benefits, andrographis can be boiled in water and drunk as tea. They can also be found in the form of capsules or as powders that are dissolved in water to be consumed. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most known vitamins. It is found in fresh vegetables and fruits. Most people know it as the vitamin of oranges and other citrus fruits. To prove that vitamin C is beneficial to your kidneys, data was collected in 2017 to 2018 from 4969 participants. The data collected were the levels of vitamin C in their plasma and the concentration of albumin in their urine. Albumin is an essential protein found in your blood. As this blood passes through your kidney should reabsorb most of the albumin back into your blood, and very little albumin should normally be found in your urine. However, if you have any form of kidney disease, your kidneys will fail to do their normal function. This includes the reabsorption of albumin. So, more albumin will be found in urine. If albumin was found in urine in high concentrations, this is called albuminuria. After the data was collected, it was concluded that those with higher vitamin C levels in their blood had a lower albumin in their urine and therefore less albuminuria. The group with the highest vitamin C concentration in their blood had a 46% lower risk of developing chronic kidney diseases than the group with the lowest vitamin C concentration. So how did vitamin C manage to do this? Simply because of its antioxidant activity, enabling it to decrease oxidative stress in the kidneys. Number 4. Probiotics. Probiotics are living bacteria and yeast that are safe for us to consume and, in fact, have countless benefits when ingested. You can consume these useful living organisms via foods like yogurt, kombucha, and pickled cucumbers. So how are they helpful? Well, kidney functions can deteriorate due to the accumulation of substances called uremic retention solutes. These substances are produced by the microbes in your gut when they're disrupted. Intake of probiotics helps restore the proper balance of the gut microbiota. As less uremic retention solutes accumulate, your risk of developing chronic kidney diseases will decrease. Do you feel like you are learning new information? Support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to receive a notification when we upload our next video. Number 5. Moringa. Moringa is a tree, originally native to India, that has numerous health benefits. All parts of the moringa tree, bark, pods, leaves, nuts, seeds, tubers, roots, and flowers can be eaten. However, pregnant women best avoid consuming the bark and the pulp. Moringa contains active compounds such as flavonoids, isocyanates, carotenoids, and terpenoids. So what's common between all these compounds? Well, they are all potent antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic effects. As you can see, moringa can prevent various conditions that lead to chronic kidney diseases such as oxidative stress. Moreover, it prevents inflammation. But why is inflammation bad for your kidney? Prolonged inflammation leads to the formation of internal scars in the kidneys, which affects the kidney's performance. Moringa is quite simple to add to your diet. Just add it to your favorite food. You can blend it with any fruit and ice on scorching summer days to make a refreshing smoothie. Or if it's cold where you are, you can add it to your soup and eat it warm. Number 6. Vitamin B. Contrary to what multiple people may think, vitamin B isn't a single vitamin, but a whole group consisting of 12 subtypes, all of which are helpful to the kidney. Vitamin B complex helps the kidney, especially in diabetic patients, by decreasing the inflammation of blood vessels in the kidney. So it decreases the injury to the cells lining these blood vessels. How to include vitamin B complex in your diet? If your diet is composed of a wide variety of foods, chances are you already eat it. Foods high in vitamin B include milk, cheese, meat, dark green vegetables like spinach, fruits, fish like tuna and salmon, and soy products. Number 7. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a chemical belonging to a group called polyphenols, which are compounds found in plants. It is mainly found in grapes, red wine, soy, and peanuts. It has been observed through research that resveratrol can decrease the production of reactive oxygen species due to high glucose concentration. In addition to that, resveratrol decreases the formation of mitochondrial superoxide, which is another compound that can cause injury to your kidney cells. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. These were the top 7 vitamins guaranteed to boost the health of your kidneys. So do you already consume any of these foods on a daily basis? How would you rate the health of your kidneys? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.